Hey guys, we are in Matera this weekend and we are going to show you around this beautiful and incredible little village. We're going to walk around by day, by night. We're going to show you caves, we're going to show you the canyon, so just come with us and let's explore Matera. Having a little early lunch just to get something before we explore Matera. So we took this bus that dropped us apparently 400 meters from the Belvedere. So we are going to walk and see if we see something cool. So from here it doesn't look like there's like Matera and beautiful canyon and all these caves, but we keep believing. We have Google Maps to help us, and I think I see actually the top of Matera here. Wow. And so I came by bus, started over there and then did a whole tour. It was 15 minutes, but I can see now how you can actually get to the canyon, so I'm gonna try to go back by this way and see some caves. So I went down a little bit from the Belvedere and you already have some caves. Fortunately they are closed, but you can see inside. Really cool. Again, well indicated and explained, and we're just gonna go however it feels like see if we find some more. So after reading, apparently this was a church, or part of it. So cool. Santa Agnese or Santa Maria. And you can get into some of these caves, and that's quite a cool effect to see the cave and Matera. Wow, look at this view on the canyon. Quite a way to go, but still. So yeah, lots of paths everywhere, so I think you can't go wrong. Maybe don't go when it's going to be night, but otherwise I think you'll find your way. So this is the last ascent. Quite a lot, but I guess it was worth it. So you have to go to Morgia Timone Belvedere, which is the Belvedere either here or here. Both had really amazing views, and so this is where you leave. You go on this little hike. Whew. Quite a little hike, but really nice, so I really recommend it. This is the streets of our little bed and breakfast at the end of it. It's kind of typical Matera, cute streets. So we're staying in a B&B called Angolo del Poeta, and just we have a beautiful room that looks like a cave.
So this is what's really special about Matera, is that all of the bread and breakfast, most of them, the little hotels have rooms that are kind of in the same stone But the room is huge. So fun. Here's the giant bathroom in a cave. Very fun. And what is this way? What's over here? Just more space.
Yes.
Very cool.
We have caves, so let's just enjoy it. So nice. And the nice thing about going in the evening is that it's cooled down and it's not as hot as this afternoon. Pretty nice in Matera is that you have this itinerario turistico that guides you along the way in Matera, so you know where to go when you might have a doubt, and just follow, and well, everything is beautiful, but it leads you to even more beautiful places. Restaurant with quite a nice view on the valley.
So we got the chef selection.
Yes, there's a lot of meat from the region, also pecorino, pistachio, truffles, herbs, and normal, some carpaccio, just a lot of happiness.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching our video in Matera. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing. It helps our channel to grow, and make sure to stay tuned for the next one.
Bye guys.
Hey guys, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
If you want to see more videos like this, please make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.